Mosquito companies spend billions of dollars trying to keep you buying their sprays every summer. But mosquitoes? They've met their match in something already sitting in your medicine cabinet. A little blue jar, $3, and your grandma used it for everything. Turns out, she was onto something scientists actually back up. We're talking about Vicks VapoRub, and in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it as a mosquito repellent that works. No DEET, no synthetic chemicals, no nonsense. Here's why this actually works, and it's not magic, it's chemistry. Vicks contains 3 active ingredients: menthol, camphor, and eucalyptus oil. Mosquitoes hunt almost entirely by smell. They track the CO2 you breathe out, your body heat, your skin chemistry. These 3 compounds hit their sensory receptors like a wall. It doesn't just mask you, it overwhelms them. They smell this, they turn around, fast. And the best part? You already have it. Let's get into the 3 methods. Method 1, the quickest, most direct option. Just apply it straight to your skin. Hit the spots mosquitoes go for first: ankles, wrists, behind the knees, back of the neck. You need less than you think. A pea-sized amount covers a lot of ground. It leaves a slight residue, so maybe skip this one with your best shirt. But for a backyard barbecue, a morning run, or a camping trip, this is your first line of defense. One warning: keep it off your face. And if your skin runs sensitive, test a small patch first. Menthol is potent. Method 2 is built for indoors, especially if mosquitoes are getting into your bedroom at night and ruining your sleep. Take a bowl of hot water, drop in a generous spoonful of Vicks, and let it dissolve. The heat pulls the menthol and eucalyptus up into the air, and that vapor creates a barrier mosquitoes won't cross. Set it on your nightstand or in the corner of the room before bed. It doubles as a humidifier, and the smell is actually pleasant. Want to go a step further? Pour that mixture into an empty mosquito repellent refill bottle, slot it into your electric heater adapter, switch it on, and now your Vicks solution is running on autopilot all night. Method 3 is my personal favorite, and once you try it, it'll be yours too. A DIY repellent spray. Here's what you need: a small spray bottle, 1 teaspoon of Vicks VapoRub, about half a cup of warm water to dissolve it, and optionally, a few drops of lavender or tea tree oil for extra strength. Add everything to the bottle. Important: shake well before every use, because Vicks is oil-based and it will separate. Then, spritz it on exposed skin or straight onto your outdoor seating area before you sit down. It smells incredible. It's light enough to use as a fabric or room spray, and there's not a single synthetic chemical in it. Honestly, I'd use it just for the smell. So, 3 ways to use Vicks as a real mosquito repellent. Dab it on skin for fast, on-the-go protection. Drop it in hot water to protect a whole room while you sleep. Or shake it into a spray for something versatile, light, and great smelling. Pick whichever fits your situation and drop a comment below telling me which one worked best for you. I genuinely want to know. If this saved you from even 1 mosquito bite tonight, hit that like button and subscribe, because next up I've got something even better. Make this trap once and you'll never have to deal with mosquitoes again.